Welcome to Simply Serene. I'm Tina. I was born and raised on beautiful Vancouver Island, and life eventually brought me here, to Nova Scotia, where my family's roots run deep and where my husband and I call home, and this is where we've built our life together. Those early years shaped who I am, a love of nature, a deep appreciation for simple pleasures, and the joy of slowing down to notice the beauty that's all around us. Out here in the country, we tend our gardens, we grow our own food, and we soak up the changing seasons. And there's something so wonderful about watching life unfold in its own time, from planting seeds to harvesting the vegetables that end up on our table. For us, it's not about rushing or chasing the next thing. It's about the small, joyful moments, like picking beans from the vine or having a good laugh on the size of the zucchini we've grown, and just finding gratitude in the simplest parts of our day. Our fur babies are part of every adventure too. They remind us daily that life is meant to be lived in the present. We spend as much time as we can outdoors, exploring the land, the rivers, and the ocean. We spend as much time as we can outdoors, exploring the land, the rivers, and the ocean. Living close to nature always warms my heart and reminds us to slow down and savor the world that's around us. These moments, each season, each walk, and yes, each cuddle, they are all what makes life beautiful, and they're the memories that weave together the fabric of our days. Even the smallest details, a bee on a sunflower, or the blooms swaying in the breeze, they feel like little reminders to pause, to breathe, and just appreciate the simple things. Cooking and preserving food has always been part of my story. It's my way of honoring the generations before me and passing on the memories, the recipes, and the traditions that have made me who I am. Some of these recipes have been in my family for decades, while others are new favorites I've created along the way, but all of them are made with love and they each hold a story. For me, cooking is more than just preparing a meal. It's an expression of love, a way to nurture, and a chance to slow down and connect with those we care about. It's also my love language. A little piece of my heart is in everything that I make. Simply Serene was born from a desire to live more intentionally, to celebrate everyday moments, and to make the most of the dash in between, that precious space between the day we're born and the day we leave this earth. So whether you're here for cozy recipes, country living, gardening inspiration, or just a gentle reminder to slow down, I'm so glad you're here. Pour yourself a cup of tea, coffee, or maybe even a glass of wine, and welcome to Simply Serene.